Hi everyone, this is Ms. Farwa. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sharing with you a very simple and interesting program that you can make by using only 4 blocks. So let's begin. First, I will show you the output of the program. I'm pressing the green flag button here. See this, Ballerina is dancing and the program will stop when you press the stop button. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to make the same program, so you have to use these blocks only. Let me quickly delete them and let's make it all again. Okay, let's delete Ballerina. Go to choose a sprite and then here comes Ballerina. Select it. Then you have to go to choose a backdrop. If you go down, you will find this spotlight backdrop. I will go down a little and look at this one. I have chosen Spotlight for this program. Now, put the ballerina in the center of the stage. Next, you have to go and make a program. First, go to Events and then use When Green Flag Clicked block. This is very important because this block will help your program run when you press the green flag. Okay, the next one is go to the control and use the forever loop so that the ballerina will be dancing forever until you stop the program. Next, go to looks and use the next costume button. This is going to help ballerina to change its costume after every loop. Next, the last one is go to control and give a pause between the changing of the costumes. So, wait. Instead of making it 1 second, change it to zero point 0.5 so it will be a little faster. Now, let's make the biggest screen and run the program. See the result. This is the same result. So you can see that the costume is changing after every loop and ballerina is dancing forever. Let's quickly make it stop from the stop button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it seems interesting and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more fun videos on Scratch. Bye bye.